and welcome back to another Mama Life London YouTube video. Today I'm going to be talking about tucking in and even tying your t-shirts. There's some really flattering ways of tucking in your t-shirt, and if you're self-conscious about your stomach or your hips or your bum, then these will complement your figure and won't draw attention, as some people think that tucking in a t-shirt does, to the areas you want to hide. Without further ado, I will show you the different ways to tuck and tie your t-shirt. So first off, there's a front tuck. So this is a great way. If you have love handles, then this is a nice way to tuck in, and especially if you're into wearing belts. Please let me know in the comments if you wear a belt, because I was having a conversation with my sister and she said that she's still in the mindset of sort of 90s where it wasn't cool to wear a belt. Probably into 2000 as well, it wasn't cool to wear a belt. I never wore a belt in the noughties, do they call it? Let me know in the comments, is it noughties? I think it is. The belts are definitely in at the moment, and also this is a great way to add a bit more of a trend or a colour pop to your outfit. I have chosen my leopard print one here. Tuck the t-shirt in at the front, shows off the belt really nicely and hides your love handles. Second one, if you are a bit more conscious of your stomach, then you might want to do a side tuck. So obvious, just tuck it in at the side. It shows a bit of belt, hides your stomach, but also, like, if you're wanting to hide your butt a little bit, then you know this does that as well. So another one you can try, and this one is if you're a little bit self-conscious of your stomach. Pull this bit out at the front, tuck in either side, and then just pull it so it hangs over a little bit. And then again, pull your jeans up. And I think I've said this in previous videos that if you are self-conscious of your stomach area, then pull your jeans up higher and have your belt cinch you in at your narrower point, because if you have got slight love handles, then you don't want to be cutting yourself off straight there where your love handles are. That will only give you a wider silhouette, so you want to be pulling up your jeans, and that's why it helps having a belt as well, because your jeans naturally, after a few times you wear them, start to fall down. So if you get a nice belt and cinch it up, tie it tight so it's above your love handles, then it creates more of a thinner waist. And yeah, and then you just untuck the t-shirt here, and there you go. A front knot. If you are feeling like you want to show off your stomach and your assets a little bit more, then I would go for a front knot. So you just pull the top as much as you can and put it in a knot at the front, and tighten it so that it brings the top down a bit more. Now this won't necessarily show off your stomach, and if you don't want it to, that's fine. Certainly shows off your belt nicely, and it's just a nice different way to wear your t-shirt than just having it tucked in or out. Obviously you can also tuck the knot into your jeans, so it just pulls the t-shirt down in this nice kind of ruched way while showing off your jeans and your belt. Alternatively, if you feel a bit more brave and you want to have a cropped t-shirt, then this is the way to do it. If you also want to make it into an even shorter sort of cropped t-shirt, then you can tuck it under and pull it under a bit around the sides as well. So particularly if you're on holiday and you're wearing a t-shirt and it does get really hot, this is quite a cool option and look really fun with a pair of shorts as well. Side knots are also a great option. Just tie it into a little knot there, and then pull it down at the sides. And you know, if you want to do this and you don't want the top to cling to you, like these tops are quite loose anyway, but I would go for maybe the neck size up. So if you're normally an extra small, go for a small. If you're a small, go for a medium. just if you want to have a little bit more fabric to do these kinds of knots and tucks with. This is another great one. If again you're a little self-conscious of your stomach, then this is great. Obviously the knots at the side, so it covers up the stomach, and like with loose t-shirts, just pull it out a little bit so it's not clinging. And then also good for hiding a little bit of bottom. Now this is a tuck that I go for all the time, which I'm about to show you, just because I love wearing bouts and I just like to show them off. Tuck it in just the whole way round, basically. Just the whole tuck, that's what we're calling this one, the whole tuck. And here we are. Obviously, if you've got a flattered stomach, then you can really tuck it in around the sides like so. But if you're a bit more self-conscious but you still want to have it all tucked in, then just pull it out a little bit. And that is the beauty of the style t-shirts that are in trend right now, is that they are all looser t-shirts, so you can get away with tucking them in and just pulling them out like that, so that they're not clinging to your stomach or your hips or anything else like that. Another tip that I would give is if you're wearing a t-shirt, particularly a white t-shirt, then wear a nude bra. Like, they are kind of essential. I live in t-shirts, and it's only just recently that I have purchased a nude t-shirt bra, and it makes such a difference. And I can tell on my previous YouTube videos when I put t-shirts on without it, because there's sort of a line where my bra is, and it's just so much more flattering. You can't see them, so don't wear a white bra, don't wear a black bra or a navy bra unless you want that sort of edgy look. But if you want to wear your white t-shirts and not see anything underneath, then go nude bra. Feel free to let me know which of the tucks and the ties was your favourite. I'd love to know in the comments below, just to get an idea of what style you prefer. And also let me know if this video was useful to you. Please give me a thumbs up if it was. So if you love style videos, and particularly style videos for women over 30, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I do new style videos every week, usually being interrupted by my children, as you will see in the bloopers that are happening just in a minute. I love talking about fashion, I love talking about style, and particularly since having children, that I have had this revival of my style again. Which is what I probably imagine might have happened to you as well. If you're a mum and you used to be quite style conscious, and then you had children, and then all of a sudden you found yourself rushing out the house with kids, hardly with a chance to take any time for yourself, and then in your head you're wondering what happened to the old you. If that is you watching this now, then please continue to watch these videos, please subscribe, because I'm hoping to help you reignite your passion for fashion. I feel so cheesy when I say that, but that's what it is basically at the end of the day. I hope you have a brilliant weekend, I hope you have a good week, and I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me for this video. Bye.
Hi.
Well, if this... Oh God, I'm so thirsty, I need some water.
Hello. I don't know something, but I opened this. Yeah. I opened it.
At some point I'll be able to film this without being interrupted.